Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning. Ayan guys, I just woke up and I'm doing exercises. Ayan guys. Look, I have abs here guys now. Ayan, flat my tummy already. Ayan, so, ayan po. This is my daily routine. Ayan. My legs exercise and also my stomach, my belly to become flat. Ayan. My morning exercises. I count 1 to 100, guys. This kind of exercise can help to flat my tummy, to flat my belly, guys. 1 to 100. Eighty-seven, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And guys, 100 counts. And this one, guys, my daily routine to flat my belly. Ayan. I count 1 to 20, guys. But take a rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, ayan, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, oh my god, 13 guys, oh my god, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, my god, 18, 19, 20. Ayan guys, so that's it for today guys. Ayan, my daily routine. Ayan, just to, legs exercise. Ayan, is medyo ako hiningal na ako. Ayan, so, ayan po. Ayan guys, my sweating.